So I want to get some information out of this video, but I don't really have 10 minutes to watch it. What I'm going to do is come here to these three dots, click share, copy the address. Then I'm going to head over to TubeOnAI, who are the sponsor of this video, and there's a link in the description. So I'm going to paste my video link here and enter my email address here. I'm going to verify, and I'm going to use this tool to generate a summary, and I'm just simply trying this out for free. And straight away you can see we've got the video here, we've got the title and an overview, key insights, and we've been able to summarize that video. And that's pretty impressive. And today I'm going to sort of deep dive on this a little bit further to show you just how powerful this platform is. Like I said before, TubeOnAI are sponsoring this video, so check out the link in the description if you'd like to know more. Now, there are two main ways I recommend using this platform for most people, and that is simply if you have a long video you don't want to sit through and you just need some information, you can summarize it and save some time. But also, if you're a content creator creating videos and you need to create summaries on your videos, then I actually think you can use this tool to very quickly generate your summary and use it in a blog post, video description, or wherever else you may need it. So essentially, this is the premium account for TubeOnAI. And what I'm actually going to do is come up to search over here, because I can actually just search for videos straight from this spot. So if I said Lex Friedman, I can access some of the podcasts he's created here. So this one here goes for 3 hours. Now, if I wanted to get some information out of that podcast, just because I could be bothered watching the whole thing, I can simply click Summarize in background, and you can see that it will start to summarize that podcast. And at any point, I can come down here to Summaries on the left, and you can see which summaries have been done on this account. This one is currently processing. I can come back later to it. Now, this one here about what if another planet smashed into Earth, I can click on that, zoom out a little bit. So I have the video here. If I did decide I wanted to watch it, we've got the too long didn't read section. So you can see in a lightning round of YouTube video, Joe Scott covers diverse topics including time travel, capitalism, emotional influence, and it gives you a bit of a summary of what the video is about. On the right here, we get the overview, the key insights, and the conclusion. Now, what's really cool is we have this magic chat function. I can actually ask questions about the content. So I can say here, what if Jupiter smashed into Earth? Now, I haven't read any of this, but I'm going to ask anyway. And it will give me a question saying, based on the context provided, it seems highly unlikely that Jupiter or any of its moons would smash into Earth. So I can actually copy this information if I want to. There's a little copy button here. Or I can simply continue on, ask another question. How likely is it that another planet would smash into Earth? And I can ask that question. And even though we're learning about AI, I can give you a panic attack about another planet smashing into ours. I don't think there's very much risk any time in our lifetimes or even several millennia that a moon, say of Jupiter, could fly out of orbit heading our way. So that's really cool. The fact that we can come in and ask questions about the content means if we don't get what we want here, we can ask that question to find out sort of more directly. Now I'll minimize that. Now, of course, I can increase or decrease the size of the text. So that's pretty cool. We have here translate. I can translate this summary into something like Spanish, and I get a nice translation. So overall, so far, that's an incredibly powerful tool for anyone wanting to find out information about a video, or if you're looking to create content, in which case, if you were to create content around this video, I would edit this a little bit. You probably don't even need key insights. You can break this up, make this into a header, turn it into a blog post, that kind of thing. So that's pretty handy. Now, you've also got custom prompt here. So you see here already, we have blog posts, SEO articles, 5 bullet points. So if I can add a new prompt here, call it video description. I can enter a prompt. I say introduce the video in the first sentence and then list dot points of the main topics underneath. I then click save, and I've been able to create a custom prompt. So now I click here, click video description. And now we have this video description here we can use on YouTube. Now I also have here some notifications. You can see here my video is ready. So once again, if I click play, you can see this video is over 3 hours long. So I get the too long didn't read, and I get my overview, key insights. So instead of watching this for 3 hours, I can go through and just find the key points. And again, I can go up to custom prompts and convert this to something else. So I can actually type in SEO article and click SEO articles here. And you see it's written up a blog article that I could essentially use. Now, any of this stuff, if you're going to use it for content, I still recommend reading over it, making some adjustments to maybe not just straight copy and paste. I mean, you probably could get away with copying and pasting it, but it's always going to be safer for you to actually make sure that the facts are being presented correctly and that you are actually talking in a manner that is going to be sort of conversational or whatever it is when you're writing a blog post. But when you're done, you can copy it here, or you can even regenerate if you're not happy with it. What's also cool is there's a little play button up here where I can listen to the summary. I click that button.
Overview. In a detailed conversation on the Lex Fridman podcast, Annie Jacobson explored threats and
you can see I'm actually even able to play that back. So if I want to listen to the summary as opposed to listening to the full podcast, I have that option as well. And we're also going to quickly change over to dark mode, simply because, as I've heard it said before, light mode is for psychopaths. I want to thank Tim from Theoretically Media for that one. But it's really cool what's possible within what you simply have here. You have the duration, you have the summary duration, you have all these different things. You can create custom prompts to create different types of content. But also on top of that, let's just explore. We've got top summaries here, where you can see some of the top summaries that have been created on the platform. You can also come down to channels. So you can see here where you can actually add in channels and then say, let's add in this one here. Confirm. I can click allow notification. I'm just going to leave that off for now. And now when I refresh, I have this here. I can click through and go through and summarize any of the videos that Marcus has produced. So that's pretty handy. You got your top summaries, you got channels you can go through, you got other summaries that have already been created. But you'll notice up here it says YouTube, podcast, and others. If I go to search, I can search podcast summaries. So if I search up a podcast, say Huberman, so I can find any of these, summarize in the background, and go and view summaries of those podcasts. There's also other summaries. I can paste any URL in here. So if I quickly dart across, I have this blog post here. I go up to my address bar, I right click, and I copy the URL. And then I head back to TubeOnAI. I paste in that URL and click summarize. It then takes me to the summary page and starts to summarize that article much like it does a YouTube video. So that's another pretty handy feature. But it doesn't just stop there with what I've shown you. There's a lot more you can summarize using this tool. You can also summarize podcasts via URL as well, or even such things as Google Docs, or even upload a Google Drive link and summarize that using this tool. But if you're looking beyond that, you can also upload PDF, audio, or video to TubeOnAI to transcribe or summarize them using AI. But we're going to move on and head on over to settings. Now I've blurred out some information here because this is an account that I have been given access to for the video. You can see over here how much time we've used, how much time is available, and the current package is about $20 monthly. But what's really cool, especially if you are a content creator, coming up with custom prompts, this is where you can view them. But pretty straightforward. You can go in here, add new custom prompts. That way, if you're creating content, you have somewhere you can go in and basically manage, add, or remove any of the sort of like content types that you need in your custom prompt area. Some content types that you can use this for are things such as writing blog posts. So that's for your website to try and generate some traffic, which means also SEO articles, sort of by definition, or email newsletters. If you have running an email list, social media posts, so captions on Instagram, that kind of thing, or even YouTube video descriptions or YouTube timestamps for your videos. But text to voice for creating other media with AI generated voices, or even just for research when doing research for the content that you create. It's a pretty generous pricing plan. You can start for free and do up to 300 minutes of content summary and a few basic features. And it's come down from 20 down to 17, so at least at the time of recording. So that's if you need to step it up and do a lot more. But you get to try it out for free, and I think 300 minutes is actually pretty generous. And of course, if you want to pay yearly, you can go that way as well. So it's pretty accessible for you to try. And if you do find it useful, you can always pay later. So it's a great thing to start with and sort of get a feel for before committing to the service. Now, coming back to our summaries, There's a few more features I just want to quickly touch on, and I'm going to head back to our Lex Friedman podcast. Cut the top to our three dots. You see we can actually share these. So this is kind of like the public version of that, and we can actually share from here as well. We've got a link copied, and we can copy and send that link to other people. We can also copy the actual content, or if we come back, we have some other options here. We can view the transcription, watch on YouTube, or even embed this. So we actually have an embed code we can use to put on our websites as well. So you can see just how useful that is for content creators who are looking to sort of put more content out there using their existing videos. Now, TubeOnAI have a special offer exclusively for the viewers of this channel. If you sign up and use the code WADE50, it'll give you 50% off the base price for both packages. So this coupon code works for the first 100 people to sign up only, so jump on while you can. So I highly recommend checking this platform out. There are also apps on Google Play and on iTunes, so check those out as well. And of course, I want to thank TubeOnAI for sponsoring the video. This looks like a pretty awesome tool. Otherwise, that's a video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, please consider giving the video a like. Otherwise, have a great day, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.